The whistleblower will go through a battle of emotions with themselves, probably, in terms of deciding whether to whistleblow. The repercussions for them that they'll probably consider would be, for instance, their reputation could be damaged, that they are seen as a whistleblower. And in the financial industry, I'm sure that it's a small world. Lots of people know people. So if the whistleblower wanted to go for an external promotion or even an internal promotion, they might fear that that could be held against them, that they have a reputation of whistleblowing. So they'll be concerned about that.